Instagram Reel ads are here. Instagram ran an initial test with Reels ads and have now announced that they are launching them worldwide. There's a lot of information to get into with this that I want you to be prepped on. So today I'm covering everything there is to know right now about the new ad placement. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. And today we were talking about the long-awaited ads for Instagram Reels. Did I not call it? And I also wouldn't be surprised if we saw ads for Reels coming into play in the near future as well. Okay, if you're unfamiliar with Reels or don't understand how to use them yet, I will link the full video guide on Instagram Reels that I made that has a live phone screen share included in it. It shows how to make Reels step by step and more, because I don't want to spend too much time defining what Reels are in this video. Today we are jumping right into Reels ads. But first, like this video for me and subscribe to the channel to see new business marketing videos every single week. Okay, first let's start with what Reel ads look like. Already in my personal scrolling, I've ran into a few Reels ads. So these are some screenshots I've gotten of them so far. This one looks like an app install campaign. I muted the sound on this one for the sake of this video, but they did have a song playing in the background in addition to everything you're seeing here. And when I tapped on Shop Now, it took me to their website. So just like all of the unsponsored Reels we've all been posting to date, Reels ads will be full screen and vertical, similar to ads and stories, and will appear in between individual Reels. As with regular Reels content, these ads will loop and can be up to 30 seconds. People can comment, like, view, save, and share Reels ads. Okay, so now let's talk about where you can find Reels ads. All of the times that I have ran into Reels ads so far have happened when I'm scrolling through the Reels that I initially accessed from the Explore page. But Instagram says Reels ads will appear in the most popular places to access Reels content. This includes the Reels tab, Reels and Stories, Reels in Explore, and Reels in your feed. Once a user taps into a Reel from Stories, Feed, the Reels tab, or Explore, they will enter a viewer that exclusively shows Reels that scroll vertically. So essentially you'll run into them anywhere you normally watch Reels content. And from my experience so far, it's pretty seamless. If you don't notice the sponsored text, you may not realize you're watching an ad at first. The Instagram Chief Operating Officer said, "We see Reels as a great way for people to discover new content on Instagram, and so ads are a natural fit. Brands of all sizes can take advantage of this new creative format in an environment where people are already being entertained." Okay, so how do you create an Instagram Reels ad? So as of now, they're having you promote Reels through Facebook Ads Manager. So if you're not familiar with Facebook Ads Manager, I will link Sean's Facebook Ads for Beginners video in the description for you. But essentially, you should be able to go to placements in the ad set level, select manual placements, select the Instagram Stories drop down, and select Instagram Reels. You'll have to choose from one of these campaigns in order to select the Instagram Reels placement. Now, at the time that I'm filming this, we at LYFE Marketing do not currently have the Instagram Reels placement as an option yet, even though Instagram has said it's available to all of these countries, including the United States. So I'm hoping it shows up soon, as it seems like they're still in the process of rolling this out. But we might now have access to it by the time that you're watching this video. Comment below and let me know if you can see the placement as an option in your ad account yet. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is why or how Reels ads could be beneficial for you as a business. Like I said earlier, the integration of it right now is pretty seamless. It doesn't terribly disrupt the user's experience, as it kind of fits right in with other Reels as you're scrolling. And if you watched any of my videos on Instagram marketing or Reels in the past, then you know Reels have been a huge driver of reach for us and many other businesses. I mean, look at this. In the last 30 days, Reels have been responsible for driving up our Instagram reach by over 45,000. And a majority of those are not existing followers. So that's awesome for our brand awareness. And if I've said it once, I've said it 100 times. Any new feature that a social media app puts out usually gets you the best reach because the app wants people to use it, and the algorithm usually hasn't had enough time to poison it yet. I mean, work it into the fold yet. So I say all of that because I predict that Reels ads will have a similar impact. I think we're going to see lower cost per result with this ad placement. And the lower the cost, the cheaper you can move someone along through your marketing funnel, be it at the top or the bottom of the funnel. But all right, guys, that was short and sweet. That's all I have for you today. Go ahead and like this video for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let me know if you have any other Reels ads questions in the comments. It's a super new feature, so we're all figuring this out together. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.